Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two popular smartwatch from iTel. We have the latest, the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20, and the other one with almost the same look with a O20, the iTel Storm Plus Smartwatch, the O15 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the two wearable. We will check its design, the dimensions, as well as the weight, and of course, the specs and features. We will compare the two wearable. So if you are interested to get one, and you're thinking whether to get the O15 or the O23, watch this video first. And again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the iTel smartwatches. Again, this is the latest, the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20, and the other one, the iTel Smartwatch Storm Plus, the O15 smartwatch. So this is the packaging, as you can see here. The same size for the packaging. On the front here for the Fit 20, we do have the feature here, AI powered watch face, high definition display, IP68, dream bigger with AI. So it promotes the AI watch face. So we have here the seal of authenticity on this side. We have additional features here and specs. At the back, we have the QR code for the support app and the specifications. So these are the color options for your wearable. And the other one, the Smartwatch Storm Plus. Okay, so we have here the same IP68 waterproof rating. We have the display screen. Okay, the health monitoring. At the back, we do have some details on additional features. So there's no option for the AI watch face, but we do have the specs here. As you can see here, we also have the specs of the O20. So we will compare these two wearable later on when it comes to specifications. And we have here the seal of authenticity. Okay, so again, here's the design of the O20 versus the O15. Okay, next, let's check on the design of the wearable. So we have here the O20 and the other one is the O15. So here's the design of the wearable. So both do have a rectangular body frame with a crown button on the side. Both do have a PC material. At the back, we have a plastic cover. As you can see here, for the Smartwatch Fit O20, if you notice it, it has a unibody design. Okay, so full frame here for our O20, while for our O15, so separate middle frame and separate back cover here, but all of the material here are plastic. Okay, at the back, we do have here, okay, on the center, a cover for the sensor with the branding iTel here. Both do have a quick release pin for the strap on the side and again on the front. So let's measure it. Okay, so which do you think is much better when it comes to the design? Both do have a rotary ground button. Okay, about this one, looking at the design here, seems like the O20 do have a much wider body frame, but I'm not sure. We'll check it later on. We have a stainless steel buckle, lightweight. Let's check. Let's go first with the dimension. The O20 41.40.9, or shall we say 49, while for our O15 much slimmer, 39, as you can see here, 39.9, or we can round it off to 40. Okay, 40 millimeter, while the other one is 41. So just 1 millimeter difference, okay, when it comes to the width. For the length, 49.4, and we have 48. Okay, again 48.8, 49.7. Okay, for the length, the O15 do have a much longer body frame. Okay, for the thickness, without the sensor, so it is 10.5. For the O15, we do have 10.7. Just a minor difference. Both do have a quick release spin. I think this is 0.22 also. Okay, so if we're going to measure here on the edge, it's about 0.22, I think. Okay, the same with our O20. So the same strap material, the same size. So just a minor difference when it comes to the measurement of the body frame. But as you can see here, more color options for our O20 compared to the O15. Let's check. So 00, 45.34. For the O15, remember the O20 is in the range of 45, 43, so much lighter compared to the O20. 43.32, 45.44. Okay, let's see if there's a big difference when it comes to weight if we remove this strap. $24.87, the other one. Again, 24.90, 25.24. Now that we are finished with the dimension and the design, let's go with the specifications. Again, this is the O20 and we have the O15. So here are the specifications. So let's compare it side by side. So we have 2.04 inch TFT, 240 by 284 pixel resolution, and the other one is 2.01 inch. So much wider body or much wider screen display for our O20. For the specs, we have 240 by 296, almost the same. For the Bluetooth connectivity, 5.4 for our O20, 5.3 for our Storm Plus or the O15. Battery, 220 mAh. Here we have 270 mAh battery, so bigger battery, longer battery life for our Storm Plus, I think. Okay, there's a very big difference, as you can see here. 220 mAh, while the other one do have a 270 mAh. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating. Okay, for the support app, okay, the iTel O20 is using the iPulse support app. Okay, while the other one, okay, it is using a different application. You can check our tutorial on the pairing of the app for the smartwatch. Okay, it's not the iPulse support app. Okay, so this one, it is using the latest support app for the wearable. Okay, next we'll proceed with the features. Okay, to check on the full specs of both wearables, you can compare it properly. Okay, including the support app. Check out the details here. Okay, so the O20 and our Storm Plus O15, Fit and the Storm Plus O20 and the O15. So which do you think is better in terms of design and specs? Drop a comment below. Okay, so we are already done with a comparison of the packaging, design, as well as the dimension, weight, and specs. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and watch for our second video, the comparison of the menus and features. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.